What's up, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin, and we are back up here looking at the Volkswagen. Little quick before this video starts. Today was my one day to come up and film, and power's out because we got a little bit of a rainstorm rolling through Seattle right now, and power's gonna be out the whole day. Looks like there's like 15,000 people without power, so nothing we can do about it. We got the door open, got a couple lights set up, so we're gonna try and do as best as we can. Real quick, we're going to jump to the update, a little bit of a before on one thing we were working on this week, just so you guys can see that, and we will come right back after that. Okay, so you saw what we were working on up there, but we're gonna show you a couple things that we finished this week. So this piece here is completely in, all welded. We got this piece here that I showed you, it's all welded. Got a new one there, and then we got this one fixed up here in the corner. But that's all welded in and fixed. Let me grab the light here. This one's all welded all the way around, all the way up around the top. And then out here on the outside, you can see the new panel here. There's our welds up in there. All the spot welds across the bottom. So this side's completely done. It's all welded in. Obviously, we're putting the new rail in. We're doing new rails on both sides. So that's just gonna stay that way for a while. But spot welds all look really good in there. So this is pretty much done. Well, this is all done. We got our seal all done. That panel's in. This side's all fixed up. So that part's complete. The before up on this panel up in here, you can see this is where we're at here. Got a couple welds where there are some holes, but it's mostly straightened out. And let me set the light up here. You can see how that is turning out. It's pretty much done. You can see where we had to do some welding, where it still needs just a tad bit of work, but that's as straight as we're gonna get it. We had to remake that whole body line to get it back in there, and it'll need a little bit of filler, but there's just no way around that. These spots here, there was 4 buttons that had been put in for some rear cushions that they had made, the previous owner did. So we pulled those out, welded them up. You can see how nice those fit now. We got all 4 of those fixed. But that's where we're at on this one. Let's set this light down here. So what we have left, this is all done. The whole ring inside's all done. I think the only thing we have left, we have to do that still. We have to finish that up. This side is really bad. You can see they just booger welded all this. It's almost ground all the way through there. The inside down here is just terrible. So we still got to fix that, and then we got to do the rails. But the engine bay itself is done. So that's nice to have one thing checked off the list finally. But we're still just moving along on this. This is going to be a fairly quick update. I really don't have much else to talk about. This wouldn't just be quick for you guys to kind of see where we're at. We got all this done down in here too. You can see how nice the spot welds came out, going all the way around. So overall, we're happy with it. We're going to continue working on it. Hopefully here in the next couple weeks, the whole back will be done, and we're going to move up to the front again. Again, I'll say it again, just like every video. The front panel up in there, we're still looking for it. If you know someone that has it, or can get us one, comment down below. My email's down below, my Instagram's down below. Just get a hold of us if you know a way of getting that, because that's something that we're still stuck on and we don't want to make it if we don't have to. So if you know one, let me know. But other than that, guys, stay tuned for more. We're going to keep working on this thing, and I'm going to keep getting you guys videos every week and try and get some other projects rolling also, just for some more content, a little bit different stuff. Probably have a couple videos coming out here from our trip to Florida. I'll get those posted this week, hopefully. But other than that, I'll see you guys later, and have a good one.